Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the website. It's marksmodstudio.us. What you're going to want to do is go to the mod shop, and then up here at the top you see the little icon. Just click on that. It'll have a flyout where you log in or sign up if you're not a user. Once you're logged in, then just all you need to do is go shopping. Alright, pick out something you like. Let's pick out the Mac. Now you can either go down to the button that says add to cart, or you can click that little shopping bag icon underneath the photo. Anyway, once you're in, you got what you want in your cart, you can click that little shopping bag on the right hand corner up there, and the flyout will come out. You can click on the go to checkout button, or you can go on the menu, the shop menu where it says checkout. It'll lead you to the same place. You want to verify your personal information, then you want to check the box that says you're human, check the box that says you agree to our terms, and then click the button that says pay. Alright, it's going to take you to PayPal, and I'm covering my personal information here. It's going to take you to PayPal, complete your transaction there. It will bring you back to the website, and just verify that you didn't get logged out. Make sure you're still logged in, and then you can either click on the left in the mod shop menu here that says purchased downloads or something like that, or you can go to the user menu. It's over here on the right under download your purchases. Now mine are expired, but they do expire. They're good for 365 days, I believe. If you haven't got it in that time, something's wrong. Anyway, I'm going to show you a download here. We're going to go to this free trial since my other mods are expired. But normally you'd have a download button there where your purchases were. But here's the free stripped down version of the traffic mod. That is a trial version. Just check the box that you agree and click the download button. It's that easy. And then if you previously bought a mod on this website and there has been an update, you would have been notified on the Facebook page, and you just go to mod updates and you'll see if you have any available updates there ready to download. Easy as pie. And if you get stuck, we got a new documentation section on the website. You can go in there and read at your leisure. And if that's not enough, there's a ticket system here. You can just submit a ticket, fill that in. We will get notified immediately that you have filed a ticket. Now, depending where we are in life, if we're at work or in the hospital or out mowing the yard or whatever, we may not get back absolutely right away, but you can be assured that we will respond to your ticket in a timely fashion. Alright, that about wraps it up for this video. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to comment on the Facebook